Hey guys, welcome to Sharp Learners. This channel is solely dedicated to all the students out there. Hope you enjoy watching and learning it the smart way. So let's get started. Click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to make sure you don't miss any updates from us. We are going to start with a new topic today, that is Introduction to Data Science Part 1. What is data analytics? Data analytics can be termed as the pursuit of extracting meaning from raw data using specialized computer systems. These systems transform, organize, and model the data to draw conclusions and identify patterns. Today, the field of data analytics is growing quickly, driven by intense market demand for systems that tolerates the intense requirement of big data, as well as people who have the skills needed for manipulating data queries and translating results. Need of data analytics. Data analytics demand is on rise and soon will be an integral part of every organization. Data analytics is now a priority for top organizations for effective decision making. To develop new revenue for every organization. To decrease the operation cost for every organization. Who are data analysts? Data analysts deliver value to their companies by taking data, using it to answer questions, and communicating the result to help make business decisions. Common tasks done by data analysts include data cleaning, performing analysis, and creating data visualizations. Business analyst, operations analyst, business intelligence analyst, and database analyst are some of the types. Let's take a look at some common tasks of data analyst. Cleaning and organizing raw structured data, creating big picture view using descriptive statistics, analysis of all hidden trends found in the data, creation of dashboards and visualizations, and presentation of results to clients and internals. Are you confused between data engineers, data scientists, and data analysts? Don't worry, we will simplify it for you. Data engineers are responsible for bringing in data from all resources. Data scientists are responsible for working on all of the raw data and convert it into valid information. Data analysts are responsible for prediction and presentation of this information to clients or peers. Types of data analytics. The first one is descriptive. Descriptive focuses on what happened in my business. It is comprehensive, accurate, and effective visualization. It helps in summarizing raw data from multiple sources, extracting meaningful insights, and drawing interpretations from the past events. Let us consider a scenario where an e-learning website decides to focus on a trending course according to the analysis of search volume of the course content by the user and revenue generated by the course in past few months. Understanding this scenario clearly helps us to know how descriptive data analytics work. The second type is diagnostic. Diagnostics is all about why it has happened in my business. It is ability to drill down to the root cause. Diagnostic data analytics helps in drilling down the data to identify the problems. It helps in answering the questions why an issue occurred by examining to know the cause behind the problem. Let's take a look at a simple scenario where a company sales went down for a month. Diagnosis of this problem shows the number of employees quitting their jobs, which explains why the sale went down. The third is predictive data analytics. Predictive is about what will happen in future based on past trends. It is historical patterns being used to predict specific outcomes using algorithms. Predictive data analytics is used in predicting the future trends and possibilities in market based on current events. It helps in optimizing business plans for future. Let's take an example of Netflix recommendation system. It will use statistical modeling to analyze the content watched by audience according to geographical area. It will provide us the prediction of the upcoming content or shows that must be watched by different class of audience. The fourth one is prescriptive data analytics. Prescriptive is about what should be done. It is applying advanced analytical algorithms to make specific recommendations and strategies. It involves prescription of steps to remove the future problems and predict outcomes for optimizing business. It demands the usage of artificial intelligence and big data. A common scenario related to prescriptive data analytics, that is Google Maps, predicting the best route by considering the distance, traffic constraints, and many other factors. Let's take an overview to understand the concept better. Descriptive explains what happened. Diagnostic explains why it happened. Predictive forecast what might happen. And prescriptive recommends an action based on the forecast. Hope you all understood the topics covered in today's video, guys. In our next video, we'll see about populations and samples in detail. Also, if you're new and haven't checked the previous videos, do go and check right now. You'll find all the links in the description box below. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, you can comment for topics that you want me to post in the comment section below. All the best for your future, guys. Stay tuned for more interesting videos.